Greetings, I hope everybody's fine. I made a reggae beat, the Bob Marley kind of a beat, specifically One Love kind of. So let's do some breakdown because that's the main point of this video. Blessed love. Okay, so what I did on the first part here, drum. That's the first pattern. And then there is another pattern for drums. Then there is another pattern for drums. Then there is another pattern for drums. So if you listen to that song, it has got different variations when it comes to drums. Carton Barrett was playing a lot, was doing a number of things on the drums. Then the other thing next is the tambourine. Yeah, this is the live tambourine, that one you can see there. And then the other pattern is the piano bang. Alright, ocarina mixed with organ. Then there is guitar string. Then there is bass. Alright, then there is stack line, very common in reggae music. If you listen to a lot of music, and in that song it is there as well. It goes along with the bass like this. Goes along with the bass. Something like that. The organ. Then there is the first part, the piano. Drum rolls. So okay, and then another drum roll here. Yeah, so that's it. Another drum roll here. There is some kind of a change, like how that song goes, because it doesn't go the same way. There's a change when he sings. You can listen to it. So that part is here also. Yeah, so it goes like that. Yeah, so let's play everything together. This is how it sounds. So basically that is it. So that was the breakdown. Blessings. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much. Leave a like and share the video and hype this video so that it can have some views. Blessings. Peace.